Barbie was asking, if you do another layer over this current one, does it need to be a fatty or fatty layer?
Yes, it does. It does. And this is why I do also really love those Chelsea Classical Studio mediums that I was talking about, because they have a lean medium, they have a linseed oil, and then they have a fat medium. So at this point right here, we would be at the linseed oil kind of layer. So if I were to let this dry, you would need something with more fat content, or essentially what a fat medium is linseed oil, spike oil, which is like their solvent, and then also Damar resin. Damar resin has to be broken down with some kind of a solvent. So I don't know, as far as water-soluble oils, they might have, every brand of paint has a ton of different mediums, so you might be able to check each brand. But that's one of those things that you would need to see if they have an additional medium to get to that kind of layer. Now, typically speaking, that's a lot of layers. And I mean, you can work really, really subtly and build up those layers like that, but you could also break these fattier layers up into kind of more layers than before you get to that kind of level. So if I weren't using as much linseed oil, I would be able to add more linseed oil in next time. I hope that makes sense. Just kind of adding that fat content up slowly over time.